Toyota is one of the most successful and respected automobile manufacturers in the world. Known for its reliability, innovation, and efficient production methods, Toyota has grown from a small Japanese company into a global symbol of quality and trust. The story of Toyota is not just about cars, it is about vision, perseverance, learning from failure, and continuous improvement. From its humble beginnings in the textile industry to becoming a leader in modern mobility, Toyota's journey is a remarkable example of long-term thinking and disciplined growth. Origins in the textile industry. Toyota's story begins in the late 19th century in Japan, a country undergoing rapid modernization. The founder of Toyota's roots was Sakichi Toyota, born in 1867. He was a skilled inventor with a deep interest in machinery. Sakichi was particularly concerned with the inefficiencies in traditional hand-weaving methods, which were labor-intensive and prone to defects. Through years of experimentation, Sakichi developed a series of improved looms. His most important invention was the automatic loom, which could detect broken threads and stop automatically. This innovation greatly improved efficiency and reduced waste. In 1926, Sakichi founded Toyota Automatic Loom Works, which quickly became a successful industrial enterprise. More importantly, Sakichi introduced a philosophy that would later shape Toyota's future: machines should be designed to prevent defects rather than simply detect them later. This idea became known as Jidoka, or automation with human intelligence. Although Toyota was not yet an automobile company, the foundation of its future production philosophy had already been laid. Kiichiro Toyota and the dream of automobiles. Sakichi's son, Kiichiro Toyota, played a crucial role in transforming the family business. Born in 1894, Kiichiro studied engineering and developed a strong interest in automobiles. During the early 20th century, Japan relied heavily on imported vehicles, mainly from the United States. Kiichiro believed that Japan needed to develop its own automotive industry to become truly independent and modern. In 1929, Toyota Automatic Loom Works sold the patent for Sakichi's automatic loom to a British company. Kiichiro convinced his father to use this money to explore automobile production. This decision was risky, as Japan had little experience in car manufacturing, but it marked the beginning of a new chapter. In 1933, an automobile department was created within the loom company. Engineers studied foreign vehicles and began developing their own engines and designs. In 1935, Toyota produced its first passenger car, the Model A1, followed shortly by the G1 truck. In 1937, the automobile division became an independent company named Toyota Motor Company, Limited. The name was changed from Toyota to Toyota because it was easier to pronounce and symbolized good fortune in Japanese culture. Challenges during World War II. Toyota's early development coincided with a turbulent period in world history. During World War II, the company was required to focus on producing trucks for the Japanese military. Due to shortages of materials and strict government controls, vehicles were built with simplified designs, and quality often suffered. When the war ended in 1945, Japan's economy was devastated. Toyota faced severe financial difficulties as demand for vehicles collapsed. The company was close to bankruptcy, and labor unrest led to strikes and internal conflict. In 1950, Toyota experienced a major crisis that resulted in layoffs and the resignation of Kiichiro Toyota as company president. Shortly after stepping down, Kiichiro passed away, never witnessing the global success Toyota would later achieve. Despite this setback, the company survived and began rebuilding itself during Japan's post-war recovery. The Toyota production system. Out of these difficult post-war conditions emerged one of Toyota's greatest strengths, the Toyota Production System (TPS). Unlike American manufacturers, which focused on mass production, Toyota lacked the resources to produce cars in large volumes. Instead, it needed a more efficient and flexible system. One of the key figures behind TPS was Taiichi Ono, a Toyota engineer. He focused on eliminating waste in all forms, including excess inventory, unnecessary movement, and production defects. This approach became known as lean manufacturing. The Toyota production system was built on two main principles: just-in-time (JIT), producing only what is needed, when it is needed, and in the required quantity. Jidoka, ensuring quality by stopping production when a problem occurs. Another key concept was Kaizen, or continuous improvement. Employees at all levels were encouraged to suggest improvements, creating a culture of teamwork and responsibility. Over time, TPS became a model for manufacturers around the world. Entering the global market. Toyota's first attempt to enter the US market in the 1950s was unsuccessful. The Toyopet Crown, Toyota's early export model, struggled on American highways due to its weak engine and unfamiliar design. Sales were poor, and Toyota temporarily withdrew from the market. However, the company learned from this failure. Engineers redesigned vehicles to better suit international customers. In 1966, Toyota introduced the Corolla, a compact, affordable, and reliable car. The Corolla was a major success both in Japan and overseas. Over time, Toyota expanded its exports across Asia, Europe, and North America. The company's reputation for durability and fuel efficiency grew steadily. Growth during the oil crisis. The oil crisis of the 1970s played a major role in Toyota's rise. As fuel prices increased, consumers around the world began seeking smaller, more fuel-efficient cars. Toyota's vehicles were well suited to this new demand. While many American automakers struggled to adapt, Toyota gained market share, especially in the United States. Its cars were economical, dependable, and relatively affordable. By the end of the decade, Toyota had established itself as a major global automaker. Manufacturing outside Japan. To strengthen its global presence, Toyota began building factories outside Japan. One important milestone was the establishment of a joint venture with General Motors in 1984 known as NUMMI in California. This plant demonstrated that Toyota's production methods could succeed with non-Japanese workers. Following this success, Toyota built manufacturing plants across the United States, Europe, and Asia. Local production helped reduce costs, avoid trade restrictions, and better serve regional markets. The birth of Lexus. In 1989, Toyota entered the luxury car market with the launch of Lexus. The goal was to compete with established European luxury brands such as Mercedes-Benz and BMW. Toyota invested heavily in research and development, focusing on comfort, performance, and reliability. The first Lexus model, the LS400, received widespread praise for its smooth ride, quiet engine, and high build quality. Lexus quickly earned a reputation for luxury combined with reliability, reshaping expectations in the premium car segment. Leadership in hybrid technology. Toyota became a pioneer in environmentally friendly vehicles with the introduction of the Prius in 1997. It was the world's first mass-produced hybrid car, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Although initially met with skepticism, the Prius gained popularity as environmental concerns increased. And fuel prices rose. Toyota continued to develop hybrid technology, offering it across many models. This early investment positioned Toyota as a leader in sustainable automotive innovation. Challenges in modern era. Rapid growth brought new challenges. In 2009 and 2010, Toyota faced a major recall crisis involving millions of vehicles. The issue raised concerns about quality control and threatened Toyota's reputation. The company responded by strengthening safety measures, improving communication, and reaffirming its commitment to quality. Over time, Toyota regained customer trust and continued to grow. Today, Toyota is at the forefront of new mobility technologies, including electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cells, artificial intelligence, and autonomous driving. The company's vision has expanded beyond car manufacturing to providing mobility solutions for the future. Conclusion. The story of Toyota is one of patience, innovation, and resilience. From Sakichi Toyoda's simple loom inventions to a global automotive empire, Toyota's success was built on long-term thinking and continuous improvement. Rather than chasing short-term profits, the company focused on quality, efficiency, and respect for people. Toyota's journey demonstrates how learning from failure, investing in people, and committing to improvement can create lasting success. Today, Toyota is not only a leader in the automobile industry but also a symbol of reliability and thoughtful progress in a rapidly changing world.